Hello, wise investor. The cryptocurrency market has been growing at an exponential rate. There are many people who have made a fortune investing in the cryptocurrency market, but the opposite is also true. There have also been a large number of online traders that have lost a lot of money trading in the crypto market. Just like any other financial market, one must know the ins and outs of the economic conditions before deciding to make a move. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. In fact, it's one of the most volatile markets in the world and should be approached with extreme caution. It is very important for investors to have the right approach and the proper guidance. Gabriel Richard Jr., also known as the Forex Helper, wrote Easy Forex Trading back in 2017. There is a chapter dedicated to understanding the cryptocurrency market. This chapter has since evolved into the concept known as safe crypto growth. You may be asking, what is safe crypto growth? Well, it is just like the name suggests. It's a safe way to grow your cryptocurrency in any type of market condition. Gabriel has been growing his cryptocurrencies using a proven method that he has taught his students for several years. He simply incorporates the Forex Helper strategy with his cryptocurrency broker account to circumvent the extreme volatility associated with the cryptocurrency market. I know this may seem like a lot to take in. Don't worry, that is why we are here to assist you in understanding more about our Safe Crypto Growth program. If you need help or if you have any questions, please send your message to the following email address: admin@win.university. We're looking forward to hearing from you very soon. And remember, only winners invest in their minds for wiser returns.